Trying to decide between Darktable and Lightroom for your photo editing? Let me help you figure out which fits your workflow. Today we are comparing two powerful photo editing tools that cater to different user preferences and budgets. Both Darktable and Lightroom handle raw photo processing, color correction, and image organization. They offer non-destructive editing, meaning your original files stay untouched while you experiment with adjustments. Darktable is completely free and open source software that rivals paid alternatives. It provides professional grade raw processing with modules for exposure, color balance, and noise reduction. The interface organizes tools into tabs that follow a typical editing workflow from importing to final export. Lightroom from Adobe is the industry standard used by professionals worldwide. It combines editing with cloud sync and mobile integration. The ecosystem connects seamlessly with Photoshop and other Adobe tools for more complex edits. The biggest difference is cost and philosophy. Darktable gives you full functionality without subscription fees. Lightroom requires ongoing payments but offers cloud storage and mobile workflows. For features, Lightroom excels in cloud syncing and mobile editing across devices. Darktable provides impressive local editing power with advanced masking and detailed adjustments. Both handle raw files from major camera brands well. Pricing is where they diverge most. Darktable costs nothing ever. Lightroom starts at around $10 monthly as part of Adobe subscription plans. So, which should you pick? If you want professional results without spending money, Darktable delivers amazing value. If you need cloud workflows and mobile editing, Lightroom justifies its subscription cost. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more photography tool comparisons. See you next time.